Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and a very good day. I am Siti Noor Hidayah Binti Mustapha from Universiti Malaysia, Pahang. This video will explain to you on topic conduction heat transfer in hollow cylinder. I hope at the end of this video, you will be able to calculate the heat transfer in pipe, wire or any hollow cylinder design material. Conduction through a hollow cylinder. So I would like to explain to you what is cylinder first. Cylinder means you have features like this with certain length. So cylinder, you will have diameter and you will have length. So when your length is higher than diameter, we call it as cylinder. Example of cylinder is pipe. So if you see pipe will be having some thickness, right? So from this understanding, we can see the illustration here. So you will have R1, which represent the inner radius, and also R2 means the outer radius. And heat is always transported from your fluid inside to the surface of your pipe or wall of your pipe. Alright? So, in cylinder, how to calculate the area? Area must be 2 pi RL. So, how to calculate the conduction through a hollow cylinder? First of all, we recall back our equation. So, from Fourier's law equation, we'll have Q over A is equal to negative K dt over dr. So, instead of dt over dx in wall, so in cylinder, you will introduce the distance as radius. So, if you put in the value of area as 2 pi RL, you will get Q over 2 pi L integrate R1 to R2 dr over R equal to negative K integration of T1 to T2 dt. So, you know that integration of 1 over R dr is equal to ln. So, you will get this equation which is Q is equal to K 2 pi L over ln R2 over R1 times T1 minus T2. Alright, so or in this equation, it's given you or Q can be equal to K A log mean T1 minus T2 over R2 minus R1. So let me explain to you how why it's happened. Let's say we write down the equation. So if we simplify this equation, you will find Q is equal to T1 minus T2 over R. The R over here will be ln R2 over R1 over 2 pi KL, right? So, however, R can be another option. If you recall in wall, the R for wall is delta X over Ka. If you want to have a similar, you will, for a hollow cylinder, you also can use as delta R over Ka. However, A log mean. What is A log mean? A log mean is A2 minus A1 over ln A2 over A1, right? If you do A log mean as A2 minus A1 over ln A1, A2 over A1, you will get the same equation as here. So, as a conclusion, in hollow cylinder, you have two types of R, which is you can use R as R2 minus R1 over K log mean, or you can use R to calculate by using ln R2 over R1 over 2 pi KL.